everybody, welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't liked or subscribed as yet, please do so right now. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Thank you. And today we will be doing Black People Can Dance to Anything. That's a challenge. One of my friends sent me this video. So without further hesitation, let's get this video started right here. Black people can dance to anything. Oh, hey.
Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a fuck.
Black people can dance to anything. Hey. Oh my God, this man dabbing. Oh. Hell, man, Millie rocking to salsa. Hey, my name on salsa. Hey, drop it. Hey. Wow. Hey. Hey, go shorty. Hey, go shorty. Hey. When the haters wanna come at you, what you gonna do? Hey.
This is my song. I've been listening to the radio all night long. Sitting.
It's springtime.
Oh, I know this dude.
It's soccer season. Let me dance upon your bed.
Hey, vibes, hey, hit it. Hit it up, hey. Yeah, young girl developed condition where she can't stop sneezing.
What?
This man dancing to a girl sneezing.
Damn.
Oh, she's a spray bottle. That man. Hey, this girl jumping to Kenny G. This girl whipping to Kenny G. What the hell? This is hilarious. Hey. Oh my God, no. Hey, you go, girl. Hey, shoot. Call me maybe. Let's see you. Hey, this is crazy. Here's my number. So, yeah, hey. Oh, black people can really dance to anything, yo. Hey. Chocolate. Hey. Hit it. Pow. Hey. No. Come on, hello from the other side. Hit it. Hey. Hello from the other side. What the actual hell? Yes. I can't sing, I'm sorry.
But if you want, I'll be happy to repeat it. My name is Carrie. I'm so very hot. Oh my, it's a little bit scary.
Dance to rock music. Doing hip hop dance moves to rock music.
Something's got to give. Something's got to give. Something's got to give. Let the body hit the floor. Let the body hit the floor. Let the body hit the floor.
Back. Hey. bachata, African moves. Oh my god, yo! Oh my god, I can't do it anymore. Oh my god, that was hilarious, man. That was funny. If you found that funny, leave a comment below. And as per usual, like, subscribe, and I will see you again on another video right here. And as always, peace. Shop.